Hi, this is a BN Portacable 125A nail gun, and the problem I've had with this is that when I load it up with air, put an air hose connection to it, it just continues to bleed out. Nothing's in there. So what I think it is, I have a bad gasket, so I've taken this apart already, and I went and bought 3 gaskets, and I'm hoping that these 3 resolve the issue. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix this. For our very first gasket, we can see that there's some crimping. Right there. There's 2 spots, one right there too. I'm not sure what these parts are called, but if you look closely, you can see right there, there's a split. That gasket is gone. And it's not sealing. Gasket. And I think we have a replacement for that one. There's enough grease on my hand to lubricate this as I take it off. got all this. Now let's see if this thing works. I repaired this Porter-Cable BN125A nailer, 18 gauge nailer with 3 little gaskets. And if I remember correctly, I ordered these online and each gasket was roughly like $3 or $4 a piece. For $15, $16 plus shipping and handling, I was able to take this, repair it, and it's just like new. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button. But we would appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video,